So today our learning intention is to learn about piecewise functions. Piecewise functions. They're also called hybrid functions. In the current study design, they called piecewise functions. Before they were called hybrid functions. And what does that mean? That means there is a rule for the function changes with the change of the x. For example, if we have f of x equal x minus 3 for x greater or equal 5, and we have that it's equal 4 minus x for x less than 5. So we have two different rules. Can you see from there? So let's graph it. Let's graph this function. So let's start from the left. So what will be the y-intercept of this function for minus x? 4. And where this function finished? When x equals 5, what will be this equal? 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So we have 5, 4, this is negative 1. And this is there, and x-intercept will be y equals 0, x equals what? What x equal? 4. So x equals 4. And at the end it has open circle. Why it's open circle? Because 5 not included in this domain. Now from 5 onwards we have another rule. When x equals 5, this equals 2, and this point is included because it's greater or equal 5, and then it will be, we just need second point. There is no like y-intercept because it's going to the right, only for x is greater than 5. So let's take x equals, let's say 7, we get 4, we need just second point too, and that will be, so that all will be graph of this piecewise function. So it has two different pieces. It has two different rules for different x. For x less than 5, it behaves like this. Then from x greater or equal 5, it behaves like x minus 3. So two different rules through the domain of x. It could be more than 2. It could be more than 2 rules. That's why it's called piecewise or hybrid function. And it could be that there is a gap in this function. So between the end of one function and point of the first function and like starting point of another, there is a gap, like we have here. But there could be also no gap. Let's consider another example. Let's say we have f of x equal x squared minus 4 for x is from negative 2 less than x and x less than 2. And also we have So it will have, just sketch this one over the given domain, which will be part of the parabola with the minus 2 and 2 being the x-intercepts, and this is. And now we will have another function to the left, let's say will be x minus 2, no, x plus 2 for x less or equal negative 2. How this graph will looks like? X plus 2, how it looks? Straight line. And it will go through point negative 2. So then this point stop being open circle because they are connected. Now another one, let's say we will have another one will be x minus 2 for x greater or equal 2. Then we will have the line going through this point, and there will be and again no open circle. So all three are connected. Yeah, it could be case there is a gap, there is no gap, but main thing there are different rules for different regions of x. That what is piecewise function. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all new for today. Like, subscribe, and donate to help fight terrorist countries and organizations like Russia, Iran, Hamas, Houthis, whatever. Support Ukraine and Israel.